This simple experiment is to demonstrate the difference of impedance between the Mercedes-Benz C-Class ground cable and the JtM ground cable. We have two identical circuits. One on the left-hand side connect with two strips of LED lights and two computer fans. Same thing on the right side, we also have the two LED strips and two fans. And we are using the cables simulating the ground of battery in the car, and we will compare the output LED brightness. So both circuits will connect to the outlet right here, which has the identical input, and we're gonna compare the output. Now we're gonna plug these two in. As you can see, nothing happened because right now the circuits are open. So if we connect this, we're gonna see the lights on. So now I'm gonna tighten this to ground so that you can see more clearly. Okay, now I have to connect both ground cables. So both circuits are now working. So all the fans and lights are on. But you can see on the left hand side circuit, the blue LED strip is flickering and the brightness is not as bright as the right side circuits. Let me turn off the lights. So you can see obviously this is flickering, and compared to the right hand side circuits, this is much brighter. And what that means is the impedance of that cable is much higher and higher resistance, so that the juice come off from the outlet cannot pass through the LED. Now, let me switch these two circuits around by switching this connector. So I'm going to unplug that and bring it over to here. Okay. Okay. So basically I'm just switching the LED lights. The upper corner LED now belongs to the right hand side circuit, and these two strips now belongs to the left hand side circuits. So you can see better now. The flickering part is right here. Let me turn off the light so you can see that. Okay, so now it's turning this blue LED strip flickering because it doesn't get enough power from the left hand side circuits.
So what does this experiment tell us? The stock Mercedes-Benz ground cable has higher impedance and resistance within the circuit of your vehicle that will affect all electronics, sensors, and microcomputers because they are not getting enough power from your alternator, and as a result, affecting the performance of your car. For this efficient AMG, we installed one ground cable at the engine block to improve the alternator's ground and another cable at the battery ground. For the fuel economy, it improves 16%, and it also improves the drivability, acceleration, and torque. This technology will work with your vehicle. Try it yourself and you will feel the difference. Thank you.